The kidneys, small organs but performing incredibly important tasks in our bodies. Over 24 hours, the kidneys can filter up to 50 gallons of blood, equivalent to more than 190 liters. It's an amazing process, but few truly understand how it works. As blood passes through the kidneys, not only are waste products and toxins removed, but there are also subtle adjustments made to maintain perfect balance in the body, from regulating water and electrolytes to controlling blood pressure and even producing important hormones. The kidneys truly play an essential role in keeping the body healthy and functioning smoothly. Let's explore the miraculous journey the kidneys undertake every day, helping your body maintain life and balance. 1. The role of the kidneys. The kidneys are not only blood filtration organs, but also play an incredibly important role in maintaining the balance of the body. Every day, the kidneys perform a series of essential tasks, from removing waste to regulating water and electrolytes. When your body changes, whether due to diet, exercise, or dehydration, the kidneys are always ready to adjust everything to maintain a perfect state of balance. In addition to filtering and eliminating toxins, the kidneys help regulate blood pressure, protecting the body from major fluctuations in factors such as water and salt levels. The kidneys also produce important hormones like erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production to ensure the body has enough oxygen. Additionally, the kidneys are involved in converting vitamin D into its active form, helping to enhance calcium absorption, supporting healthy bones and teeth. The kidneys also help maintain the stability of pH in the body, which is crucial for enzymes and cells to function efficiently. The kidneys work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, constantly maintaining perfect balance in the body, allowing other organs to function properly. Thanks to these functions, the kidneys play an indispensable role in keeping the body healthy and ready to cope with any changes. 2. The filtration ability of the kidneys. The kidneys are one of the most important organs in the body, not only helping to filter blood, but also capable of processing a huge amount of waste and toxins each day. One of the kidney's special abilities is the capacity to filter up to 50 gallons, about 190 liters of blood every day. This means the kidneys perform an enormous continuous job of removing unnecessary substances and retaining what the body needs. The filtration process begins when blood is brought into the kidneys through the renal artery, where it is divided into smaller arterioles. These arterioles continue to lead blood to the nephrons, the kidney's basic filtration units. Each nephron contains a group of capillaries called the glomerulus, where the filtration process starts. Waste products, water, and dissolved substances such as salts, glucose, and amino acids are filtered out of the blood and enter a sac surrounding the glomerulus called Bowman's capsule. What is special about this process is that only small molecules and waste can pass through the filtration membrane of the glomerulus. Blood cells and large proteins cannot pass through this membrane and remain in the blood. The filtered substances then move into the renal tubules, where reabsorption occurs to retain essential substances like water, glucose, and ions necessary for the body. The powerful filtration ability of the kidneys allows the body to maintain excellent balance in water, electrolytes, and nutrients. This not only helps eliminate waste and toxins, but also helps regulate important factors like blood pressure, blood pH, and nutrient levels. Additionally, the kidney's filtration ability helps maintain stability for other organs in the body, providing the foundation for them to function effectively and continuously. Although the kidneys filter a large amount of blood every day, the body cannot eliminate all of the filtered substances. Instead, the kidneys selectively retain what is essential, keeping important substances for the body and eliminating what is unnecessary. It is this refined filtration ability that helps the kidneys maintain the body's health, effectively removing waste without causing any imbalance in other systems. 3. Structure and filtration process. The blood filtration process in the kidneys occurs through a very complex and sophisticated system. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons, the basic filtration units that perform this function. Each nephron includes a network of capillaries called the glomerulus and long renal tubules, where substances are filtered and processed. This structure allows the kidneys to perform blood filtration efficiently. When blood enters the kidneys, it passes through the renal artery and is delivered to smaller arterioles, eventually leading to the glomerulus. Here, the blood is filtered through the capillaries, where waste products, water, electrolytes, and small molecules such as glucose are pushed out of the blood and into a sac surrounding the glomerulus, called Bowman's capsule. This process is similar to using a filter to separate waste from a liquid. However, not all components in the blood are filtered out. Blood cells and large proteins, such as albumin, cannot pass through this filtration membrane. They are retained in the blood, helping the body maintain vital functions. The filtered substances then move into the renal tubules, where reabsorption occurs. In the renal tubules, water and essential nutrients like glucose and ions are reabsorbed back into the blood through small capillaries called peritubular capillaries. This process helps the body retain what is needed while only eliminating waste and toxins through urine. Thanks to this complex structure, the kidneys can perform the task of blood filtration, helping the body eliminate harmful substances, maintain water and electrolyte balance, and regulate blood pressure and other physiological functions. 4. The reabsorption process. The reabsorption process in the kidneys is a crucial step in maintaining the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. After blood is filtered at the glomerulus, substances like water, ions, glucose, and other essential nutrients are pushed out of the blood and into the renal tubules. However, not all of these substances need to be eliminated. Many are retained by the body for reuse. Reabsorption begins in the renal tubules, where the filtered substances move through different parts of the nephron, including the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubule. At each of these stages, the body actively reabsorbs the substances it needs. First, in the proximal convoluted tubule, about 65 to 70% of the water and dissolved substances such as sodium, potassium, glucose, and amino acids are reabsorbed into the blood. This is the primary reabsorption process, helping the body conserve important nutrients. Notably, glucose is fully reabsorbed at this stage, as the body requires glucose as an energy source. Next, in the loop of Henle, water continues to be reabsorbed, but sodium, potassium, and chloride ions are also reabsorbed to create a change in the concentration of urine, helping the body conserve water. Finally, in the distal convoluted tubule, the kidneys continue to reabsorb ions like sodium and potassium, as well as adjust the levels of bicarbonate and hydrogen ions, contributing to the maintenance of the body's pH balance. This reabsorption process helps the body retain essential substances while eliminating waste, ensuring the stability of the internal environment and allowing the kidneys to perform their filtration function efficiently. 5. Regulation by the kidneys. The kidneys not only filter blood but also perform the crucial task of regulating the physiological factors of the body, helping maintain homeostasis and protect health. The kidneys have the ability to respond quickly to changes in the body, from regulating water and salt to maintaining stable blood pH levels. When the body loses water due to sweating, diarrhea, or dehydration, the kidneys can minimize water loss by reabsorbing more water from the renal tubules back into the blood. This process helps retain water and maintain the body's hydration levels while reducing the amount of urine excreted. In addition, the kidneys regulate the levels of salt, sodium, and potassium in the body. When sodium levels in the blood decrease, the kidneys will retain more sodium to balance, helping maintain blood pressure. Conversely, when potassium levels in the blood rise, the kidneys will excrete more potassium through urine, helping prevent issues related to arrhythmia or muscle problems. Another important adjustment made by the kidneys is the regulation of blood pH. When the blood pH becomes too acidic, due to the accumulation of hydrogen ions, the kidneys will excrete more hydrogen ions and reabsorb bicarbonate to help neutralize the acidity in the blood. Conversely, if the blood pH becomes too alkaline, the kidneys will reduce bicarbonate excretion and retain hydrogen ions to decrease alkalinity. Thanks to this regulatory ability, the kidneys help maintain the body's stability, ensuring that physiological functions always operate efficiently, from protecting blood pressure to balancing electrolytes and pH, allowing the body to function normally and remain healthy. 6. Excretion of waste and hormones. The kidneys not only filter and reabsorb essential substances, but also play a key role in excreting waste and important hormones for the body. This excretory function helps the body eliminate unnecessary or harmful substances while maintaining stable homeostasis. The waste excretion process begins when substances are filtered through the glomerulus and enter the renal tubules. Waste products such as urea, uric acid, ammonia, and creatinine continue to move through the renal tubules to be excreted from the body through urine. These are byproducts of the body's metabolic processes, and eliminating them is crucial to avoid harmful accumulation in the body. In addition to eliminating waste, the kidneys are involved in excreting hormones. One important hormone produced by the kidneys is erythropoietin, which stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells when the body needs more oxygen. The kidneys also produce renin, an enzyme that helps regulate blood pressure when blood volume is low or blood pressure decreases. Additionally, the kidneys secrete calcitriol, the active form of vitamin D, which helps enhance calcium absorption in the intestines, supporting bone health. The kidneys are also involved in regulating the body's acid-base balance. When the blood pH changes, the kidneys will either excrete or reabsorb hydrogen ions and bicarbonate to keep the blood pH stable. Thanks to these hormones and regulatory abilities, the kidneys not only help eliminate waste, but also support important functions such as regulating blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and maintaining overall health. A unique feature of the kidneys is their ability to self-regulate and respond to changes in the body. For example, when the body faces dehydration or nutritional deficiencies, the kidneys can enhance the reabsorption of water and essential nutrients while minimizing the excretion of non-essential waste. This not only helps the body maintain balance, but also protects organs from excessive nutrient loss. Thanks to this self-regulation ability, the kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining life and the overall health of the body. With every passing second, the kidneys continue their vital work, helping your body maintain life and perfect balance. We hope that through this video, you have gained a clearer understanding of how these small organs tirelessly work to protect your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other interesting videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next videos.